We're also following some breaking news now after a woman was struck and seriously injured downtown today.
Police say the woman was hit by a car on East Washington Street, just south of Monument Circle. We're working to learn more, but we'll update you on air and online as that investigation continues.
Now, this latest incident comes as IMPD and state police are beefing up patrols for the next week in an effort to crack down on dangerous driving.
Police say the new effort comes after the city saw numerous deadly pedestrian accidents in recent weeks.
Fox 59's Ginny Tracer rode along with police today to get a behind-the-scenes look at the new initiative.
This week-long initiative all started after IMPD said they got a lot of calls from community members voicing their concerns about the sheer amount of people driving dangerously out on the roads. And police say they're looking to put a stop to that.
IMPD and Indiana State Police will be flooding the streets, posting up at more than 30 different locations across town from now until Sunday. Some of what they're looking for: aggressive driving, speeding, people who run red lights and don't use their turn signals.
The focus essentially is on correcting behavior. Obviously, we know, tickets or enforcement does help in correcting behavior, but also speaking to someone, giving them a warning, educating them more in a one-on-one conversation. That's another way of actually correcting behavior.
It's all a part of a new initiative that aims to not only protect drivers, but pedestrians too. So far this year, IMPD says there have been 274 crashes involving a pedestrian. That's up from 243 from all of last year. 28 of those crashes this year have been fatal. There were only 33 in all of last year, putting Indy on track to potentially surpass that deadly number.
If you'd like to report a problem area, contact your local IMPD district. If not, head to our website. We've got a link on how you can do that. On the Northwest Side, Jenny Dracler, Fox 59 News.
All right.